Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. Hey, I just got done playing volleyball over there, and exactly 4 hours ago, I put Lotus on the glass and the hood and the top of the fenders and right along the front. I even did the plastics on the kidney-shaped grills on the 06 Z4M or M Roadster. And I gotta tell you, this beading is freaking cool. It is pretty trick. Now I hope it's not gonna help, hurt the Lotus. It says you can get it wet after 4 hours, cures fully in 4 days. So we shall see, but those are some tight ass beads. And already I've noticed on the glass, try and get away from the tree there. That, you can just see the water running off. Now it just started raining. It's just a sprinkle. And you can see the water droplets. Maybe if I get on this side and use the clouds. Sun's already coming out. Typical, Florida bullshit. But, yeah, that's Lotus for you. And that is some cool, getting in the shadow. That is some cool beading action going on right there. So just a quick little follow-up video. I'll make this as part 2. Check out part 1 on how easy it is to apply Lotus. It was my very first time. Just cracked the bottle open and decided to take the car to volleyball because, it's the weekend. And it was sunny, but, it doesn't stay sunny. And that water is just falling off the glass. I can't wait to take this thing on the road and just watch all this water expel. So here's the sun. I guess we'll find out any water spotting issues with rainwater. Anyway, thanks for all being with me. Appreciate each and every one of you. Be sure and thumbs up. Hit the notification bell, bing, after you subscribe to my channel so you get notified of great tips, tricks, all things related to detailing, sometimes even not related to detailing. Absolutely love this car. This is an M3 in Wolf's Clothing. So anyway, thanks for being with me. Check you out on the flip side, and y'all have a great day. And help me get to 1,000. I'm getting there. I'm inching my way there. I appreciate you. Thanks. And there's the flip side.